Here's how to change your last name on TurboTax. So if you're trying to change your last name, you might be trying to change it in your TurboTax return or your tax return that you're filing, or you might be trying to change your Intuit account name. So that would be your TurboTax account. Now we're going to look at both of those spots. We're going to start with your tax filing spot first. And so we're going to go to the My Info on the left-hand side. And if you are just now trying to make some adjustments to filing your taxes, you can actually save 20% with the affiliate link in the description or the pinned comment down there on any TurboTax federal product. And it helps support this channel through a small commission, but it saves you 20% on that filing. So maybe that can save you some money while we're going through this as well. But in the Your Info section, we're going to click on any name here. So it could be yourself, could be a spouse, dependents, and we can revisit the section that we entered in our names in the beginning. And so we'll see last name here. We could change that last name. We could even change the first name too if we needed to. We got Bugs Bunny now, and then we can hit continue, and that will save for us. So we can skip through the rest of this, continue through it if we want to. We can fill in anything we need to. But if you don't need to make any other changes, then you can click back on My Info just to check and make sure that indeed our name was changed, in this case, our last name and our first name. But that's where you change your name on your tax return. Now, we would actually change our name in the Intuit account down here, which is also like your TurboTax account or any Intuit product. So we go to Intuit account, and that's going to open this up, and we're going to go to Profile. You can find that in the upper left, or if you see the big button right here, you can actually click on Profile, and then we can go in here and change our name. So we can change our last name and our first name here on this Intuit account, which is like your TurboTax account. And so we'll go and do the same thing here, Bugs Bunny. You don't have to do both of these. This part doesn't matter for your tax return, but if you are looking for that, since how to change your last name on TurboTax is how to change your last name on your TurboTax account, then that's where you can do that. But pretty easy in the My Info section to change the last name on your tax return or the last name of your spouse or dependents. That's where you can change last name on TurboTax. Thanks for your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.